Hello, painting peeps, it's me again. Oh my goodness, you see, looking for things to do. Just looking for things to do. I love my painting. It's my happy place. It helps me be rid of all the sadness that's going on in the world for a couple of hours each day, and I am beyond grateful for that. So I reached out on Facebook to some of my paint peeps. I said, give me some colors, give me some ideas. What do you want me to paint for you? And I got so many wonderful responses, and I am going to do my best to answer each and every one of them. So tonight's painting is courtesy of Jilly Bean K. Sweet Jilly Bean and her handsome hubby, who always reach out on Facebook and YouTube and have such nice words. Jilly has requested the following colors: purple/violet, turquoise, phthalo green, white, black, and 24 karat gold. Now, Jilly did not specify what type of technique she wanted me to use, so I'm going to do a flip cuppy thing. I don't know all the names of the techniques, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna pour 4 cups. I'm gonna layer my paints. I'm gonna ring pour them on, and then I'm gonna do a little tilting. So ring pour, flippy cuppy, layered paint technique is what I am doing today. Let's talk about our colors. Oh boy, a little buggy just flew into the side of my paint. Sorry, buddy. But today's colors are yummy, Gilly. You did a good job. I'm excited about these. We have golden titanium white. We have golden carbon black. We have this yummy turquoise. Where is it? Here it is, our yummy turquoise. So shimmery. And what I did was I mixed a little bit of golden turquoise with my Deco Art Metallics teal. I use these colors together a lot. It's a really beautiful, rich hue of turquoise, guys. This, oh, that's my turquoise. This guy right here is our phthalo green by Arteza. I have a whole box of Arteza paints, and I have yet to whip them out. So this is the first time I've used it, and they mixed up really nice with my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol to 50% Liquitex pouring medium, guys. What else do I have here? Oh, her violet color is my Purple Pearl by Deco Art Metallics. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And our final color by request is one of everybody's favorite, Deco Art Metallics, the 24 karat gold. So Jilly or Gilly, I think it's Jilly, it's J-I-L-L-Y. Jilly Bean, you did good, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and get rocking and rolling. Our canvas is prepped with Artist Loft White mixed with my pouring medium. And I'm gonna put some snazzy tunes on. And guys, if you have any more requests, send them out to me on Facebook or on YouTube. But do me a favor, tell me what kind of music you want me to listen to while I'm painting your painting. Today I'm gonna listen to, what is on my playlist today? Oh, I don't know, some good funky stuff that I'm just gonna dance around to. So here we go. We're going to get rocking and rolling, guys. Thank you all. Be healthy, be well, stay busy, keep your spirits up.